You think you're lazy. You think something is wrong with you. But what if I tell you, you're not lazy at all? Your mind is just overloaded, and no one ever taught you how to fix it. Most people wake up every day with the same quiet frustration. They have goals, they have dreams, they even have motivation, sometimes, but still they don't move. And instead of asking the right question, they ask the most damaging one. What's wrong with me? They call themselves lazy, weak, undisciplined. But here's the truth no one tells you. You are not lazy. You are mentally overloaded. We live in a world where your brain never rests. Notifications, deadlines, family pressure, financial stress, comparison, social media. Your mind is running marathons without water, and then you blame yourself for collapsing. Think about it. A phone with 50 apps running in the background will slow down, not because it's broken, but because it's overloaded. Your mind works the same way. Discipline doesn't disappear because you're weak. It disappears when your mental energy is drained. And most people never learn how to manage that energy. They try to wake up at 5 a.m., they try cold showers, they try motivation videos, but they never fix the real problem: mental clutter. Let me ask you something honestly. How many tasks are living rent-free in your head right now? Things you haven't done, decisions you're avoiding, conversations you're postponing. Each one is stealing energy.
That's why starting feels so hard. Not because the task is big, but because your mind is tired before you even begin. Here's the shift you need to make. Stop asking, how do I become more disciplined? Start asking, how do I reduce mental overload? Because discipline is not created by pressure. It's created by clarity. Clear mind, clear priorities, clear direction. High performers are not superhuman. They are just ruthless about what they ignore. They don't try to fix everything at once. They don't carry unnecessary thoughts. They simplify. And here's something important. Rest is not laziness. Rest is maintenance. You wouldn't drive a car non-stop and expect it to perform. So why do you expect that from your brain? But rest doesn't mean scrolling endlessly. That actually adds more noise. Real rest means quiet time, single task focus, saying no, and letting go of guilt. You don't need more motivation, you need fewer mental tabs open. So, start small. Not with a big goal, not with a perfect routine, just one clear action today. One task, one win, one promise kept. That rebuilds trust with yourself. And when you trust yourself again, discipline returns naturally. Remember this, lazy people don't feel guilty. Overloaded people do. If you feel guilty for not doing enough, that means you care. And people who care are never lazy. They're just tired. So breathe, slow down, clear the noise, and move forward one focused step at a time.